Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your project for compiling C++ project in Visual Studio. So open Visual Studio and you will have screen that looks similar to this, or maybe few changes within here. Okay, so keeping that all aside, let's go to the file menu, then new, and then project. Here I want you to go to Visual C++ template and then check for Win32 tab. Here you will have Win32 console application. Select that, and here I'm going to change name of my project to console win demo. Okay, make sure Win32 console is selected and then click on OK. Now this will open one console wizard. Now it will ask you to make few settings before creating your Win32 application. So let's click on next button, and here it will ask you to make few changes. By default it selects application type as console application. It will ask you for add common header files for ATL and MFC. Selecting that will add unnecessary files for now, because we are basically just going to create Hello World project, so we don't need these two for now. Then in additional options you have empty project, then precompiled header and STL check. So I'm going to remove these two options and simply go for empty project option, and then I'm going to click on finish. Okay, it will take some time and then it will create your project, and you can view that in class view right here. Okay, and you have to right click here and then click on add and then choose class. Now here you can select your Visual C++, then C++ class, then click on add, and then this dialog box will appear. Here you have to choose name for your class. So let me choose name as demo, then it will create one demo.h and demo.cpp file. It will also have public access, and you can keep base class as is empty. Okay, now let's click on finish, and you have your class demo declared here. Now we can remove all of this, or you can keep it as is. Then you can switch to demo.cpp tab. As you can see, you will have demo.h included, which you can remove completely. Okay, make it empty cpp file, then select include, and then go for IO stream. Okay, and then add using namespace standard. Okay, so what we did is we are calling for IOStream class, and then we are also using namespace standard by calling for using keyword. The next thing, we are going for creating our main method or main function. It has return type of integer, then we use integer main, and inside we have parameter integer argument c, which is argc, and then character, which is going to argv. Okay, and inside this method we are going to write our code. Okay, so let's start with our first cout, and here we are going to simply use hello Devnami on, or you can say hello Devnami and some space, and then again end line. Okay, notice that I'm using this lesser than operator twice for cout. Okay, and then I'm going to use end line so that my console go to the newest line. Okay, so after that we will use system and then call for pause. This will pause your command line for a few seconds until you press something on console. Okay, you can also have return 0 because you are not returning to your main method. Okay, so as long as I'm not pressing something on console, the system pause will make it not auto close. Okay, if you comment this part out, it will auto close after displaying this message. So use system, and then within that function or method you can use this pause argument. Okay, now let's run this code. It will say this project is out of there. You can ignore that message for now, then build your code. It will complete the process and show you this console output. It shows you hello and then name of my channel, Devnami, and then it has this message, press any key to continue. I'm gonna hit enter, and after that the console will close. As you can see, this was simple example of C++ Hello World in Microsoft Visual Studio.